Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to hide tagged photos on your Instagram profile. Why would you want to know how to hide tagged photos on your Instagram profile? Well, maybe it is your first time using Instagram and not sure how to hide tagged photos on your Instagram profile. So today I am going to show you how to hide tagged photos on your Instagram profile. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Hiding tagged photos on your Instagram profile is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will hide tagged photos on your Instagram profile. First of all, open Instagram app in your device, and now here is my Instagram home screen. Then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner and then click on this icon. Now first open tagged photo and then click on three dots in the right top corner and now click on tag option and then click on hide from my profile, and now that tagged post has been hidden from your profile. So there you go. If you were wondering how to hide tagged photos on your Instagram profile, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.